Hi, are you here for the 30-day Law of Attraction crash course? Well, we're about to get started. Come on in. What does it mean to detach from your desire? Hello, my most positive peeps. This is Lori, your positivity princess. Welcome to the Lori Show. For the entire month of August, I've been doing a 30-day Law of Attraction crash course for beginners. If you love the Law of Attraction as much as I do, give me a thumbs up. Every single like helps. Do me a favor and do yourself a favor. Leave a comment below of your daily intention. Let me know what you're going to accomplish today, or what is your goal, what is your dream. Each video in this crash course will flow nicely into the next video like a continuous lesson. Today's day 28. Click here to get to day 1 so that you can start at the beginning. Each video is under 10 minutes long to be mindful of your time because I know we all have a lot of stuff to do. Allow me to mention that course workbook. It's free and there's a link in the description below so that you can print it and follow along. Also in that description is a recap of the course. Everything we've covered so far, all the content, it's kind of in list format, but it's there. Okay guys, today I'm talking to you about detaching from your desires so that you can attract what you desire so much faster. Detachment, what does this even mean? This means that we are letting go. We are having faith. We are having trust and believing that your desire is on its way. We are trusting the process and letting the dominoes fall into place. We are allowing things to happen. When we detach from the outcome, we let go of the resistance that tends to build up in our body if we stay attached. And if things are not happening how we wanted or expected, we then start to feel resistance of it. We then literally block opportunities from coming into our lives. So if we are in the state of being, then we are not constantly checking for a text message from that person. We are not checking the number of subscribers that we have 4 or 5 times a day. This is causing us to keep acknowledging the absence of that thing that which we desire. Hence, attracting more of that and attracting more lack or absence of the thing we desire. Do you see how this works? Again, you want to feel as good as possible. Detaching also means letting go of certain aspects of your manifestation, like how it will happen. This will limit your possible avenues of getting there. You don't want to limit anything. You want to be limitless. So the how is not your job. Your job is to know your desire and to feel that it is already there. Feel as good as possible. Detaching means getting out of the way of the universe. Get out of the way, let the universe do its thing. Think of it like this. As a kid at Christmas, you know what you want. You write it down in a letter, you think about it, you imagine having it, then you mail that letter, and then you know it's coming. When you order a new Grumpy Cat phone case from Amazon, you don't wait 3 days and then say, hey, I guess it's not coming, and then order another one. No, you know it's on its way. You know it's coming. That's how you should treat your desires. Order it and forget it. Set it and forget it. Okay, great. Today your homework is to complete one of the methods we've talked about. So do a short script or do a short visualization. And then after that, I want you to kind of go on with your day. Distract yourself, do something else. That's what detaching really means. By detaching, what I'm saying is that you need to let go and have faith that it's on its way, which means that you've got to do something else with that brain that keeps on going back to that. So some ideas that you can do is you can distract yourself by doing something that you enjoy. So a hobby or something fun. You can watch a TV show, you can read a book. You just do something that keeps your mind busy. If it pops into your head, that's totally normal, that's okay. You have no control over what pops into your head, but you do have control over how long you entertain that. So have something else ready to distract yourself with. Another way is to, when you think of the lack, then maybe you need to go back and do your positive affirmations again. Do a short meditation. Just do something that uses that loop in your head that keeps going around, right? Remember, thoughts lead to feelings, so make that thought a good one. A negative thought and a positive thought cannot occupy your mind at the same time. So if you have a negative one, decide what is the polar opposite of that negative thought and make it into that positive. Okay, so wherever a negative exists, a positive is there as well in potential, in the idea of duality. Remember that. I love you. My most intelligent students, thank you so much for coming to class. I appreciate every single one of you. Tomorrow we'll continue with the next lesson. We're almost done, but we'll keep on chugging. Don't forget, if you have not already, click that subscribe button and that bell notification so you do not miss the next lesson. I love you so, so, so much. Mwah. Have a great day and AB positive.